Well, on the 5th of October, information came in that traditional leaders from sub-regions from northern Uganda sat in a meeting which involved Rwot. Rwot is still under dispute with his counterpart Rwot, which is not yet settled. And as per the constitution, which has been gazetted under URSB, it indicates that Rwot is now the newly elected chief of Acoli. But the tension is still on. Other people take Acana, some people take Rwot. Now, another thing that happened in that meeting is Rwot was elected as the interim chairperson of all the traditional leaders, with the information coming that the government or the president of Uganda wants to meet the traditional leaders. Now, a concern comes in that being chosen as the interim chairperson for the first time, that move of bringing in hate. One thing is, for the Acoli culture, it is a more of a retractive, is a backtrack on Acoli culture. Because even traditionally, the position of Rwot never used to exist. The Arabs brought in theirs, the colonialists brought in theirs, and then again, some NGOs brought back in 2005 to help in peace building. Look, each and every clan in Acoli used to have their own chiefs. So the colonialists and the Arab traders found it difficult to manage the Acoli. So they had to put Rwot. Now, that's why you hear Mabe Bokshanta, which was again overthrown by the colonialists, and they brought in another person like that. It is not a cultural traditional position dictated by the Acoli culture. Now that we have it, and the section of Apere have brought in a constitution to guide it, a constitution now born from Acoli side. This move by those of Rwot is a real escalation of an attack on Acoli culture. Sparingly, Rwot does not decide or dictate on all the clans of the Acoli, but the decisions are always made as the council in a meeting by all the Acoli chiefs, chaired by the Rwot. Now, he has gone there, represented it, thing has happened, he's the interim chairperson. The position itself, we don't know the relevancy, but to the Acoli culture, it's automatically not relevant, which it also attacks the Acoli culture, because the Acoli culture does not conform to this kind of one head, this system of kingship. You know, kingship is more of dictatorship kind, while chiefdom is more of a democratic kind. And that's why it is difficult to penetrate the chiefdom or convince people in the chiefdom. And that's why in Uganda, the only most successful resistance was done by the Acoli people via in the Lamu rebellion. So this is the situation on the ground. I think it is an escalation of violence. It is a serious concern that the Acoli people will have to deal with it. It is something that the answer to it is still not yet known. But let's all watch the space. Thank you.